Good day and welcome back to Abia Update. I am Umuahia. If you're joining me for the first time, thank you for being here. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss the latest verified stories of progress, accountability, and transformation happening in Abia, God's own state. Here are the headlines of today's news. Governor Otti charges media to uphold professionalism during Renewed Hope tour. Governor Otti unveils insurance penetration initiative in Abia. Deputy Governor chairs PSC Task Force. I will begin with a charge to praise from the Governor. Governor Alex Otti has called on the media to uphold professionalism and objectivity, receiving the members of the Renewed Hope Media Tour at the Michael Okpara Auditorium in Umuahia. The Governor described journalists as vital partners in nation building, urging them to remain committed to truth, fairness, and accuracy in their reportage. The Governor encouraged the visiting team to go beyond official briefings and inspect projects across the state to gain first-hand knowledge of developments. He noted that Abia has witnessed significant progress in infrastructure, healthcare, education, security, and economic development over the past 3 years. The Special Advisor to the President on Information and Strategy, Bayo Onanuga, lauded the cordial relationship between the federal and state government, noting that recent economic reforms have increased resources available to states for development. And moving on, Governor Alex Otti has unveiled the insurance penetration initiative in Abia State, piloted by the Nigeria Council of Registered Insurance Brokers, NCRIB, aimed at taking insurance awareness and services closer to the people. Speaking at the NCRIB CEO's retreat, he challenged stakeholders to use technology and community engagement to make insurance accessible to MSMEs and other individuals. He disclosed that Abia Leadership Academy will incorporate insurance-related studies into the 2026 training program to create young insurance ambassadors. The NICON Commissioner, Mr. Olusegun Ayo, commended Abia's enabling environment and urged global investors to leverage the state stability and new insurance reforms for business continuity. The initiative seeks to deepen public awareness, build trust, and make insurance products more accessible for long-term economic security. Meanwhile, the Deputy Governor, Chief Ikechukwu has chaired the second quarter State Task Force meeting on primary health care, noting encouraging gains in immunization, health facility, innovation, and community engagement. He urged members to remain focused on addressing challenges such as staff absenteeism, equipment vandalism, and diagnostic turnaround times. Executive Secretary of the State PSC Development Agency, Dr. Carlo Olo, appealed for adequate logistics for rural outreach and quality vaccine storage facilities. The representatives of development partners, including NPHCDA, UNICEF, and John Snow International, commended the state government's commitment and pledged continued support for maternal and child health, nutrition, and disease prevention intervention. Away from healthcare, we move to hospitality. The Abia State Government has reached an advanced stage in partnership with Hilton Worldwide to establish a DoubleTree by Hilton Hotel in Umuahia. During a meeting at the Government House, the Hilton delegation, led by Senior Director for EMEA, Ms. Nida Suzesega, disclosed that the state has already fulfilled 98% of the brand's requirements for the project. The Governor, represented by the Chief of Staff Pastor Caleb Ajagba, stated that the world-class hospitality facility is crucial for boosting tourism, attracting serious investors, and meeting the demands of the increasing number of business executives and development partners visiting the state. The General Manager of the Umuahia Capital Development Authority, Mr. Kingsley Agomo, confirmed that the selection of the DoubleTree brand follows extensive engagement in the UK, marking a major milestone in positioning Umuahia as a premier destination for business and tourism. And finally, the Abia State Government has clarified that the Senior Citizens Law 2025 does not provide for free salaries for the elderly, but guarantees health care and welfare support. The Commissioner for Poverty Alleviation, Mrs. Ngozi Felix, made the clarification while commemorating the 2026 World Elder Abuse Awareness Day, emphasizing that the law ensures elderly persons can participate in interventions that support their well-being. The commissioner announced the establishment of sexual assault referral centers at general hospitals in Abia, an initiative championed by the First Lady to address gender-based violence, including cases involving older persons. She called on all Abians to stand against elder abuse and promote an inclusive society where every senior citizen can live with dignity, security, and hope. And that's it on today's Abia.